Off of this comment, anything you guys want to say to the SEO community on LinkedIn? It's a pretty robust community. It's been pretty fun to just be a part of it and follow it. You guys have any words to them?
Yeah, I just want to say thanks. Yeah. Let's see here. I don't know. I think the SEO community has been so tight on LinkedIn, and I think it's great. I think it's a great place to learn. I would say one of the things a SEO is commonly known for outside of the LinkedIn community is trying to kind of gatekeep all of the secrets and the niches and the keywords. I would say that if you are just getting into it, or you have someone that you know who is trying to learn it, be a mentor to them, support them, and show them the ropes, because no one likes a person who is just going to hold the secrets to themselves, and use this as a collaborative system, because that's what the community offers. And the quicker we can pick each other up and roll with that, the better we're going to be in the long run.
Nice. Yeah, a couple of words is you guys, a lot of you know me. I'm on a mission to make SEO simpler for millions of people. I have the privilege of being able to do that for maybe hundreds of thousands already, just with my LinkedIn presence. And I'm excited to keep it going. I'm a long-term guy. That's one of the reasons I love SEO. I'm going to be long-term on LinkedIn. I might be expanding to other social networks where I can add value in different ways. So be a part of this community. This isn't just about us building Trio. It's more about SEO growing and evolving, and everyone having a place where they can get to know other SEOs, learn from other SEOs, teach other SEOs, and get to know us personally as well. So if you're a part of my community, Steven's community, the Trio community, keep contributing. We're going to keep bringing you fire content and trying to teach you new things in SEO as the industry evolves. So thanks for all you guys do and for all the participation.